I believe this year is the year of the Air Jordan 1 Lows. Jordan brand have released several colorways this year and I couldn't even keep up with it. But this time, I'll be unboxing one of them and it's called the Gold Toe. So stick around. What's up YouTube, this is Manuel and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. As I mentioned earlier, I'll be unboxing the Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Gold Toe. But before that, if you're new here to the channel, this is a channel where we talk about sneakers and anything we can connect to it. So I hope you watch this video until the end and you subscribe to this channel. So let's unbox this bad boys. It comes with a black Air Jordan box with a gold Jumpman logo. Inside, you have this white tissue paper with 23 all over. And here it is. Air Jordan 1 Low Gold Toe. Amongst all the Air Jordan 1 Lows, this particular colorway caught my attention because of the patent leather. As you can see, it's patent leather all over. The upper is made of, as I mentioned, predominantly patent leather. In the toe guard, you have this black patent leather all the way to the lace loops. On the lateral and the medial side, you will see the white patent leather, and on the toe box, the heel and the ankle collar, you will see a gold patent leather. The Nike Swoosh is also in black patent leather. It goes in both sides, and it comes with flat black laces. The tongue is not patent leather. It's actually a different kind of material. I'm not sure what type of material this is, but as you can see, it has a black Jumpman logo. It's black on black, and on the lace lock, you have a number 23 right there. On the heel, you have the Jordan Wings logo. The sock liner is in black and the insole is in gold with black Jumpman logo. On the midsole, you will see a typical Air Jordan 1 midsole, and on the outsole, you have this black pattern of the Air Jordan 1 Lows. What really caught my attention in these sneakers is the patent leather. I really love patent leather ever since Jordan 11 came out. And for me, the Jordan 1 Lows is actually one of the best Air Jordans because, as I mentioned several times in my videos, I'm not really that of a fan of a Jordan 1 High because it's too high for me, although I'm starting to love it slowly ever since I bought my Travis Scott Air Jordan 1. But since this came out, I definitely have to get a pair. What I like about the Air Jordan 1 Lows is that you can wear it easily on any outfit. You can wear it with shorts, you can wear it with pants, and since this have patent leather, you can also even wear this on semi-formal occasions. I actually have a couple more Air Jordan 1s that are coming soon, which is the Royal Toe and the Travis Scott Lows. So watch out for it when I release it, probably about next week or next week. So guys, do you like these sneakers? It really looks cool, right? It has, if I'm not mistaken, this also have a version in the high cut and the mid cut version, but honestly for me, this is the best one. I'm not gonna wear it on feet because I don't want to crease this one. However, here it is, Air Jordan 1 Gold Toe. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.